Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to adjust mechanical disc brakes on your e-bike. Properly adjusted brakes are crucial for safe and efficient riding. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure your brakes are working perfectly. Before we start, here are the tools you'll need. A set of Allen keys, cable cutter, and a safety gloves. Make sure you have these tools handy. Begin by squeezing the brake lever. If the lever pulls too close to the handlebar, the brake cable may need to be tightened. Next, check the brake pads. If the pads are worn out or too far from the rotor, they may need to be adjusted or replaced. In this case, brake pads are fine. Also check if brake pads are rubbing the rotor. If yes, brakes need to be adjusted. To start adjusting, use an 5mm Allen key to slightly loosen the caliper mounting bolts. This allows the caliper to move freely, helping in aligning it properly with the rotor. Squeeze the brake lever to center the caliper over the rotor. Hold the lever in place and tighten the caliper bolts while ensuring the caliper remains centered. This step ensures that the brake pads grip the rotor evenly. Locate the adjustment screws on the caliper to adjust the brake pads. Turn the inner pad adjustment screw clockwise to move the pad closer to the rotor, which is on inner side of the caliper, and turn it counterclockwise to move it away if required. Then adjust the outer pad by loosening the cable pinch bolt and tighten the cable to move the outer brake pads closer to rotor. The pads should be close enough to the rotor for effective braking but should not rub against it. Spin the wheel and check for any rubbing or uneven contact between the brake pads and the rotor. If you hear any rubbing sounds, make further adjustments using the pad adjustment screws until the wheel spins freely without noise. Check if brake levers are properly tight. If not, then adjust the barrel adjuster by rotating anti-clockwise or make brake pads more close to rotor at caliper end. Test the brakes after each adjustment to ensure the desired tension is achieved. After all adjustments are made, apply the brakes several times to ensure they engage smoothly and effectively. Make any final adjustments as needed to achieve optimal braking performance. And that's it. Your e-bike's mechanical disc brakes are now properly adjusted and ready for your next ride. Happy riding and stay safe on the road. Thank you.